Good morning, this is Matt Marty coming at you from the greater Rockford area. On this lovely spring day, we've had a total of 3 of these in the last 3 weeks, or maybe even longer. I'm here today with my good friend, Cass Tracker. He is a cooking and hunting enthusiast, and we're here with his son for his birthday, Muddy Mouse. Say hi.
Hi.
We're going to be doing some cooking today, and just a quick question for you, Cass. How many guests are we anticipating today, and what are we going to plan on cooking?
I'm guessing about 30 to 70 people.
30? Really? We invited that many?
Well, you never know.
Okay. Well, Muddy Mouse decided to take off on us, so let's go ahead and get ready with some food prep, and let's go ahead and get started. So, as we prepare for tomorrow's meal and festivities, we have a series of things to prepare. And Cass Tracker is going to go ahead and give me a little bit of a explanation. First of all, now forgive me, I am not very good with like different food types that doesn't involve like a patty. So, what do we got here in this first bowl?
In this first bowl, this one is called lemongrass.
What do you use that for?
For soup.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna add it in the sour soup that we're gonna prepare tomorrow. This is papaya. We're gonna make papaya salad tomorrow.
So what do we do? Is we slice it? Do we shred it?
We are gonna shred it.
Okay.
Okay. And then this is galinga. This is also for soup, which is for a sour soup.
What does it do to the flavor of the soup?
You just give it more of a bitter flavor.
Okay. And looks like we got, is that spinach back there?
No.
What is
These
that?
are just different type of vegetables. They're from the Asian market.
Okay.
To be honest, I forgot the name of it.
That's okay.
And then you got your mint.
Oh, that's mint right there.
Yeah, this one's mint. This one, I don't remember.
What are we going to be using mint for? Is that going in the soup too?
That will be on for the fish.
Okay. Okay.
Which would be called lap, which is a Laotian style dish.
Very
or
nice.
Equivalent to a Mexican dish called ceviche, but
We-
Asian style.
We'll discuss that a little bit. And what do we got here? You said this was a brisket?
Yeah, this one's gonna be a brisket. So what we're gonna do is prep it up for tomorrow. We're gonna add some seasoning, then put it on the grill. Once it's cooked, we're gonna cut it in small pieces for everybody to taste.
Okay.
We'll also have different sauce for this as well.
Okay. How many pounds is this bad boy?
This one, I believe it's 6 pounds.
That is, I think,
Oh, sorry, 10 pounds.
even better.
Then we got
And we got some chicken thighs here. Pretty self-explanatory. And I see we got some limes here. Is that for the fish?
yes, that will also be for the fish to help it cook.
Okay. Now you're just gonna have to tell me what the heck is in this bowl here. I see onions, but what's with it?
Ginger.
Okay, so that's ginger.
These are ginger roots.
And what is the ginger gonna be used for?
It's gonna be for the same thing for the fish and for sour soup.
Okay. Got more onions here. Looks like you got some ground chili powder.
And we also have this.
Is that for the fish as well, the Mediterranean herb?
No, we're gonna put it with the ribs.
Okay, obviously I'm pretty clueless about food prep here, but we got some ribs here. We got 2 Rex. Are these pork or beef?
Or
Looks like it's pork, yeah. Sweet. And we got flat out ground beef for good old burgers, right?
yes, 10 pounds of burgers.
Very
and
nice.
we'll also be having hot dogs as well.
Okay. What do we got here?
These are freshly caught stripers or hybrid bass or striper bass.
What'd you catch these with?
I use shrimp to catch these.
You actually caught these with shrimp?
Yes.
Like on the pole?
Yes.
That's interesting. So, how big would you say each one of these fish are, pound-wise?
This big one is probably close to 5 pounds
Okay.
or more.
Okay.
That's the biggest one.
Are you gonna fillet them first, or are you just going to?
We're gonna do 3 different style of dishes. One's
Okay.
gonna be sour soup. The other one's gonna be fish lap.
How many do we got in here?
We have a total of 10.
10 fish. All right. Guess it's better than picking up on the market, right?
That's correct. And it's a lot cheaper too.
Very nice. Can't believe you caught these with shrimp. That's pretty cool. Nicely done. We're just driving along right now. Gonna pick up some stuff at the grocery store, some supplementals, and some ice. Pretty nice day. Nice and quiet. Alright, we're almost there. Walgreens at every corner. At the mall, there's a grocery store. Or at the mall, maybe we should visit GQ Sports. Okay, we have meat. And let's see here, we got some thighs, and we got some chicken legs. So, Cast Tracker, why don't you go ahead and show us a little bit about what we're going to be doing here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is going to be the drums. And these are the few ingredients that we're going to be putting on. Some black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, minced onion, garlic powder, and a Mediterranean herb.
Alright. Well,
we also have teriyaki and
vinegar, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to put all this stuff on there?
Not on all. We're gonna be 3 different types.
Alright. Go ahead and let's get started. Alright, we got some teriyaki sauce. It's my understanding that you are the camp of you feel it, you don't measure it.
Yes. What about you? But with this, more is fun. It's also
I know we got Mighty Mouse going in the background, but that's okay.
okay. So with this, I'll add some Mediterranean herbs
Okay.
for flavoring.
What does Mediterranean herb taste like?
It has some lemon, parsley, onions, and garlic.
Mediterranean herbs. And we're switching it around. Meanwhile, Mighty Mouse is having a piggyback ride. We're just gonna let him do his thing.
So the next one, we are going to.
So is that my new nickname, Miss Piggy?
Doing soy sauce, huh?
Okay. Get a good grip. Because I can't stay like this forever.
Go!
Once again, apply generously. We feel our way through. We don't measure. Use the force. Ooh, vinegar.
So this will be an adobo type chicken. And we're gonna put it in the grill.
Every time I see stuff behind the TV that needs to be picked up. Yes, we don't need dirty sauce in the living room.
Garlic powder. And then you got the minced onion. Is that going to be going on this too?
Again. I'm ready.
Apply it generously.
Just wait a moment.
All right, now we got the thighs. So you said you want to do the soy sauce again?
Yes. Soy sauce.
Once again, apply generously.
Can someone pull up the balloons?
And then we're going to do oyster sauce, which I'm not very familiar with. Oh wow, I didn't realize it was so thick. Jeez, it almost reminds me of barbecue sauce.
Almost. But this tastes completely opposite. This is more salty. Don't say.
Alright. Okay, so we got the 3 trays here. We got the thighs, we got 1 set of drums, and then this second set of drums. Now this first one here has more of an Asian influence, right, Cass?
Yes.
Alright, so we got the oyster sauce, we got some pepper, we got some
Garlic.
garlic. Second tray here, we got
the teriyaki sauce and the Mediterranean spices.
Okay. And the third one?
Soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, black pepper, garlic, and minced onion.
Very nice. Okay, so we're covering it up with foil, gonna marinate, and every single one of these trays is actually going on the grill, right?
You want to marinate them for at least, some people say minimum 30 minutes, but the longer the better.
Great.
So this will probably marinate for a couple hours.
Is there such a thing as marinating too long?
The longer you marinate, the longer it soaks into the meat.
Alright. And when you actually finally get them on the grill, how long does each piece usually take to cook?
That's about 10 minutes. Well, on a medium setting of heat.
We'll talk grill here in a second. Wow, that's a knife. That's not for me, is it?
No.
So we got ribs. So what do we got here? Pork ribs?
This is pork ribs.
I guess we did show that last night. So, how are you planning on doing these?
Well, I'm gonna cut these ribs in pieces separated. And then we're gonna marinate them with some soy sauce, with calamansi soy sauce, which are small versions of limes. Small versions of trees.
Sweet. Alright. Let's go ahead and let you do your thing.
This knife is very sharp, as you can hear the crunch.
Alright. And we're continuing to slice. And that's just to help get through to the bone. Cass wants to cut these down in smaller pieces. Because with so many people here, it's better finger food. And it allows us to use two different types of sauces, barbecue and then the soy sauce. One being more of an Asian style rib, and whereas other people might prefer more of a traditional barbecue style rib. There we go. Got the soy sauce in here. Once again, Cass Tracker just uses the force. We don't need measuring cups. One thing that's always kind of impressed me is the last night when we were showing off the advance, it didn't seem to be as much, but it's also worthy to note that we have another full rack of ribs that we still have to prepare. So we got quite a bit going on here. Now you're just gonna do now we're gonna do one and one.
I'm just gonna do soy sauce here, and then this one's gonna be barbecue.
Okay.
We use a lot of soy sauce. Now the reason why sauce to it is so the meat's gonna marinate, so it's gonna soak up all the juice.
And once again, we're gonna marinate these for a couple hours, right? All right. Now we have barbecue sauce. Let her rip. Getting ready to get this in the grill, but we gotta marinate again first. Okay, we have finished with the initial preparation. That's a lot of rib. It's a lot of rib for a lot of people. Boy, are we looking forward to this. Well done, Cass. We have brisket being prepared now.
I'm playing white.
We're gonna throw this on the grill, and then after it gets grilled, we're gonna cut this into strips.
Then how come I couldn't go first before?
What kind of sauce were you using for this one?
This one just added
You the Mediterranean herb. You were looking at a sauce earlier, though, like a steak sauce, or a. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to make you get it out.
For the other one, we have
Let's grill. All right, let's see what you got so far. Oh, wow. So we got some ribs in the front. And we got what's in the foil.
Okay, so this one we have striper. This one we got striper. This one we have the beef brisket.
Oh, the brisket. Okay, okay. And how long are these things going to be staying on here?
This one's gonna be a while because it's being wrapped, being cooked inside as the being cooked.
When you say a while, we're talking like what, 20 minutes? 30 minutes? Okay.
But maybe 20 minutes on the heat, and then 10 minutes on the side.
Okay.
To make sure it fully cooks.
What kind of grill is this again?
This is the Ranch Kettle Weber grill.
Okay.
This is 30 inches all the way around.
Very nice. Very nice. Thanks for watching. This is Mad Marty, reminding you to do what's responsible, avoid what's irresponsible, make the most of what you got, and get respect. Mad respect. See you next time.